Well, congratulations everybody for reaching day 12 of our 12 days of Tai Chi. If you missed out on any of the others, then do check the link I'll put in the description to the playlist for the whole 12 days of Tai Chi. We've been using our Yang 24 stances to practice and get our bodies moving and get having a go at Tai Chi for health, fitness and well-being. Final session is all about closing the form. So we're going to start with our feet in our bow stance. We're bringing one hand on top of the other, palms facing high and open out, shoulder width and shoulder height. Remember to keep your shoulders relaxed. Focusing on the hands, on the palms. We're rocking in to the dantian and we're pushing forwards back into our bow stance. Let's do that again. Let's try on the other side. Scooping round. So one hand on top of the other, palms facing up, keeping your shoulders down, bringing the hands in, really feeling the movement, adding resistance to really push out and feel the movement. From here, we're going to step to the side, cross hands, sinking the weight centrally, staying in that mini horse stance. And then we're closing the form, straightening the arms and legs at exactly the same time, lots of focus. And then we're transferring the weight and stepping in, keeping the focus to the very end. Let's try that again. And let's try it on the other side. Let's try that all together. Second side. on each side. I hope you've enjoyed all the 12 days of Tai Chi. Do have a look at them over and over again, as it will really help you improve on those basic Yang style Tai Chi stances, steps and movements. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really does help support the channel here at Freshfield Fitness, and follow me on social media at Freshfield Fitness, at Tai Chi Active, and check out all of the links below. Do keep in touch. I'd love to hear from you and how you're getting on. Take care guys, and check out the rest of the channel. Bye now.